guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RoseJayCreates and I am Rose, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for showing your support as always. I look forward to producing and kind of uploading more videos so you guys can kind of show support. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you're not leaving any comments, make sure you leave those comments, leave a thumbs up as well. Make sure you hit that notification bell, that way I'm notified every time a video is uploaded. Or, I'm sorry, that way you're notified every time a video is uploaded. I'm the one that's uploading the video. Haha. Anyways, it's nice to have you guys supporting me throughout these weeks and months. I really appreciate all the support. Make sure if you are watching videos and an ad pops up, please let those ads run. That's how I kind of make money off of the ads. Since I am being monetized now, it just kind of helps me with income, being laid off work. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk about being laid off work, but I am laid off work, and so I use YouTube as another source of income. So again, guys, thank you so much for showing your support. And as always, check me out on Instagram, RoseJayCreates, and then I also have an Etsy channel as well, RoseJayCreates. I have a few items on there, about 10 items, and so they are for sale. So please reach out, show your support, whatever way you can. And again, guys, thank you for tuning in to RoseJayCreates. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What I am doing is showing you the trays that I've already kind of gotten started on. These are my resin coasters. It's going to be sort of an ocean theme, and I just wanted to show you right now I am adding some sand. I got the sand from the dollar store, and I wanted to show you what I had did. And all I've done was added sand to the rim of my tray. And I'm using a silicone mold. On the other ones I use these plates, but I just kind of wanted to show you for example purposes, what I'm doing. So all I'm doing is just pushing the sand in the corner and then just kind of making sure it's kind of going in the corners. And then I'm going to just show you what I've added to it. Because after I've gotten the sand in the corner, I've added a little bit of resin. And then I've added my seashells. This one is sort of a tan color. I have white seashells as well. And then I put my little message in a bottle. I filled it with sand. And then I put a message in it. But the way I created the message is I used a piece of tape. At first I used paper, but the paper was white and I kind of wanted it to stick out. So right now I am using a piece of tape. And I am just going to roll it up. It's kind of hard to roll it with these gloves on. The other ones, when I did it, I didn't have my gloves on. But I'm going to try to roll it with my gloves on. Hopefully I don't have to take these gloves off. We'll see. But all I'm doing is just trying to roll it up in a little sort of funnel. It's not easy with these gloves on because it's sticking to my gloves, but it's coming along. Okay, it looks like it's rolling. And this is what it looks like. And all I did was put it inside of my little message bottle. My little bottle. And I filled it up with a little bit of sand. You can get these little, what do they call these bottles? Oh, I forgot what they call these bottles. But I got them from the Dollar Tree. I'll think of the name at the end of this video. Sorry about that. But the Dollar Tree sells all these different types of bottles. And all I did was put my little message in there, filled it up with sand, and then I added resin to the rim. And I just let it harden. And I kind of wanted it to kind of preset. I didn't want to have to add my resin and my ocean waves because I didn't want the sand to sort of drift. And then I added a little starfish to it too. So that's what it looks like. And that's what these all look like. And so these are the ones that I've already done, and the sand is already hardened. Just kind of cleaning it off. I got a little bit of sand. And that's what it looks like once it hardens. My seashells and my starfish, and then my little message in the bottle. And then I added a couple of pearls to the sand as well. And then I've already pre-mixed my resin, and then I mixed my white. I added a little bit of casting craft to that. These are the alcohol inks that I use. Blue, and then this one is sapphire blue. And I use 5 drops of each. And then I use the casting craft in my white. I use 10 drops of casting craft, and then I use 10 drops of the white alcohol ink. I really wanted the white to pop out. If I'm going to create ocean waves, and I kind of wanted the white to really stick out. And I'm just kind of going back in and mixing everything, making sure it's thoroughly mixed. I'm going to set my toothpicks to the side. I'm going to clean up my workspace so I can kind of move and not knock anything over. And so now all I'm going to do is start adding my color tint. I'm going to put my sand up so I won't accidentally knock it over and lose all my sand. It's hard to find the tan colored sand at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes they have a lot of white sand, and so I'll get the white sand. And then if you have any alcohol ink, or if you have a little bit of brown paint, you can add little drops to it and then stir it up, and it'll give you the brown tint like these. Or see, the trays in the front are dark brown. My trays that I have in the back, they're a little bit light tanned, and so I didn't add the tint to those to darken those. But all I'm going to do is just add my blue to the rim. I'm going to go around each one. I'm just going to slowly pour. It's a pretty colored blue. I want it a little bit more darker. I may go back in and darken it. I'm just going to continue to just pour the resin. Looks like I don't have enough for my very last one, but it's fine. I'm missing my message in the bottle for that one. I forgot to put the message in the bottle in the sand so it can harden. I'll just give that one to my daughter. So I'm just going to set that one to the side. Those colors are already looking gorgeous. And this one is sort of like almost a turquoise color. Kind of the colors you see in the Bahamas. Now you see my blue I have in the background. It's not as dark as I would like it to get. So I'm going to darken it. And I'm going to show you a little trick to kind of make the waves kind of pop a lot more. Because otherwise the colors look monochromatic. I guess that's a word. I'm going to go with it. Yes, monochromatic. In other words, the colors look too similar. And then now I'm going to just add my white. That white looks really, really pretty in the backdrop of that brown sand. I'm so happy I don't have any bubbles. I don't have to use my big lighter to pop any bubbles. It looks like the resin is behaving this time. Just going to top these off with a little bit of whatever I have left over so I don't waste it. Does this look like an ocean theme? I love these colors. Put that one to the side. I'm going to show you a trick on how to darken up the blue. I'm going to add just the alcohol drop straight to the resin without mixing it. And it'll flow into the rest of it. And now I am going to use my heat gun, and I may have to stand up for this. So I want to make sure I'm really looking down on it. And I'm just going to use my heat gun just to apply pressure to it, just to move the waves around. And this is how I create my ocean waves. I'm pushing the white into the blue, and then I'm pushing the blue back into the white. And this is how I create my waves. What do you guys think so far? Does it look like an ocean? Does it look like a beach? Looks like we could use a vacation right about now, since everything's about to be locked down due to COVID. So we can use a getaway right about now. And even though that blue that I added seems, you know, very scarce, it will continue to flow, and it'll kind of combine with the rest of it. I'm just going to kind of move it around a little bit, just to kind of help it along. And guys, make sure you are hitting the thumbs up, hitting that like button if you're liking what you see. I want it to flow naturally, so I don't want to push it too much, but it will continue to set up. I'm just going to go back over it again with my heat gun. And this will kind of help the colors kind of move a little bit more fluid. I've never done multiple projects at the same time. Normally I'm working on one or maybe four, never 6 or 7. But this is what it looks like. The colors are going to continue to flow. I'm just going to let it set up for about 24 hours. Hi guys, before I end this video, thanks again for watching. Hopefully you gave it a thumbs up. That was my ocean theme sort of trinket tray that you can put jewelry on. You can sort of put different things on it. And it was really easy to do. It was really fun to do. My daughter really loves it. And I'm going to also put those on my Etsy channel, so feel free to go over there and check those out. But I hope you really liked that video. And then I couldn't think of the name of the little bottles. I don't know why I couldn't think of these names, but this is what it looks like. The mini glass bottles with the cork stoppers. My hands look horrible. I need some lotion on. But that's what they look like. You can get these from the Dollar Tree. They come in different sizes. I wanted the very, very tiny ones. They come even smaller than this. But I thought these were, you know, small enough. Another name for these are potion bottles and little fairy bottles. So if you're doing a Google search and you can't remember mini glass bottles with cork stoppers, you can just type in potion bottle or fairy bottles, and then these will come up as well. Again, guys, thank you. I really hope that you loved my ocean theme resin trinket tray video, and thank you for all your support. You guys have a great day.